Have you ever tried to pray away a feeling that wouldn't leave? Maybe you quoted a verse like, "God has not given us a spirit of fear," repeating it over and over, finding your anxiety getting louder. Your nervous system's primary job is threat detection, and it operates entirely outside your conscious control. Trying to will yourself into peace is like asking a toddler to stop a freight train. You cannot use conscious effort to do a job that belongs to the autonomic nervous system. Instead of fighting your biology, you can work with it. We are going to use a 5-minute technique called the physiological sigh, and we are going to pair it with a simple breath prayer adapted from Psalm 51. By the end of this exercise, you will have moved through the physical steps required to lower your defensive state, creating the physiological space needed to actually experience surrender. Let's start by getting into position. Find a comfortable, upright seat and place both feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands gently on your thighs, or if it feels right, place one hand on your belly. Go ahead and close your eyes to reduce the sensory input around you. Resist the urge to force your spine completely straight. Sitting with rigid tension actually restricts your diaphragm and makes it harder to breathe deeply. We want comfort over perfect posture. Letting your body adopt this specific, relaxed position sends a physical signal to your brain that the body is safe enough to begin letting go of defensive tension. This animated circle maps how the breath works. We start with a 2-part inhale. Take a partial inhale through your nose, and then immediately take a short sniff to completely top off your lungs. After that second sniff, let the air out in a single, long, slow exhale through your mouth. To keep yourself from rushing, imagine you are gently fogging up a mirror. Let the air escape at that steady pace until your lungs are empty. This specific double inhale and extended exhale pattern is a biological trigger. It stimulates the vagus nerve, which allows you to manually override the body's fight or flight response. To keep your mind from spiraling while you breathe, we will anchor this physical action to a concept of surrender, specifically David's prayer in Psalm 51. "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." Right before you begin your double inhale, silently whisper the word "create." Then, the moment your long exhale is completely finished and you are at rest, silently whisper the word "renew." Mapping these words to the breath directs your internal focus. This allows the biological mechanism of the sigh to serve as a physical expression of prayer, asking God to do what your willpower cannot achieve. Let's put it all together for our first round. Silently say "create." Now inhale through the nose. Take that extra sniff. And exhale, long and slow, fogging the mirror. Now silently say "renew." Round 2. Create.